All right, so now that we're up on the roof, we are going to sit here and remove the screws out of our old Illumavent ridge cap. All right, now that we got all the screws taken out this side, we're gonna start ripping this off the roof. It is junk and all silicone together. After we get the ridge cap taken off, we go through and clean off all this old gasket. I hope you can see it, but as you see, this stuff gets brittle, breaks. It's just not very good. So after we remove the old Illumavent ridge cap, we will go through and we will put a dab of silicone on all these holes right here on both sides of the roof. So after we go through and silicone all the old screw holes, we're gonna put this new piece on. So we're gonna start with putting some silicone down right here. Make sure we got a good seal. We're gonna put this over towards me a little bit. Make sure we're lined up with the edge there. And then he's gonna be holding it center down there while I put a tack of screw in this one side. And then we're gonna come down here, tack a screw down here, so it's set centered. And then come down here and finish tacking this side. And then we go through and screw the piece off. We put screws in the center of the ribs. All right, once we get that first piece screwed all the way off, we're gonna take our nice handy dandy silicone. If I get it working, we're gonna silicone across the whole piece right on the rib. Then we're going to overlap this piece at least one rib. And that gives us a nice tight seal there. Got a little silicone popping out. Wipe that away. Then screw off this piece and so on straight down the roof.